Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to use portrait mode camera setting in Redmi phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, scroll up and go to the camera icon. Click on that. Now here you will see many options. If you want to know about the use of portrait mode camera settings, so firstly click on the portrait mode, then you will click a photo in the portrait mode camera setting. In this way you will see, here you will see the result. Our photo is clicked and you will see that photo is much more clear than the normal photo. So if you want clear photo clear photo, so you will use that portrait mode camera setting. In portrait mode, photo is much more clear than the normal photo. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.